This is Krish. Welcome to our channels PVSK Cooking, PVSK Education, PVSK 1, PVSK 2, PVSK Entertainment, PVSK Experiment. Today we are going to see very simple tricks and important tricks in Windows 10. Here we can see cloud clipboard. It's useful for copy and paste the multiple devices. It's very useful. So we click on Windows button and go to the settings. So we know that settings, and also after that we see the clipboard option. So here we click on system. So then it shows clipboard option here. So this clipboard option used to copy and paste the multiple devices at a time. It's on here. It's not connected any devices. If it connected, automatically we can copy and paste. So Windows here V. So here it shows Windows V shows the clipboard option. So it's very useful to copy and paste the multiple devices. So and also how to share the files and directories or something. So it's very useful. Here share option, go to the settings, same settings, and go to the system. So here share experience here. So share experience, this is very important. So this share experience is used to share network or through network or Bluetooth. Using through network or Bluetooth is useful to share files and directories, and also images which you want is easily share. So here a nearby option is there. So it's nearby. You can choose on. So it's automatically share the files and images or something. It's very useful. So here we can change nearby. So it's also everyone nearby. So it's very useful to share our images and files. So and also how to dark mode and light mode and night light. So it's also going to same settings. So in that settings personalization is there. So in this personalization select color. So here choose the color. So light, so dark which you want. So when we click that, so it's automatically change this type. So dark mode, so change like this dark mode, so like this. So here it's very useful to visualization. So and also same you can go to there, and how to set up night light. So also system, click on system. So then let's go to display. So here night light is shown. So in this night light settings on, so you can click on night light settings. It shows which you want, sunset to sunrise. Set up the timing also. It's very useful. So and also it's very useful to visualization. So these are the simple tricks to know, and kindly subscribe our channels here: PVSK Experiment, PVSK Entertainment, PVSK 2, PVSK 1, and PVSK Education, and PVSK Cooking. Thank you very much. Please do subscribe.